Homemade bread, a delicious English lesson. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that's as delightful to say as it is to eat. Homemade bread. This phrase isn't just about food. It's a great example of English language structure and cultural significance. Let's dive in. Homemade and bread are two words that combine to form a phrase with a specific meaning. Homemade refers to something made at home, rather than bought from a store or made in a factory. It often implies care, personal touch, and authenticity. Bread, as you might know, is a staple food prepared from a dough of flour and water, usually by baking. In many cultures, bread is a symbol of sustenance and comfort. Homemade bread, therefore, carries a connotation of warmth, family, and tradition. It's often associated with home cooking, family gatherings, and a sense of belonging. This phrase can evoke emotional responses and nostalgia. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. 1. My grandmother's homemade bread is the best. It reminds me of my childhood. 2. I love baking homemade bread on weekends. 3. The smell of homemade bread wafting from the kitchen is unbeatable. You might encounter variations of this phrase. For example, home-cooked meal or handmade crafts. These phrases similarly emphasize the personal effort and authenticity in the process of making something. I hope this video has given you not just a taste of homemade bread, but also the richness of English phrases and their cultural contexts. Remember, language learning is like baking bread. It takes time, patience, and practice. Happy learning and see you in our next video.